In this video, I will show you on how to update your Google Chrome browser. Very quick and easy guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use your Google Chrome browser. So with that being said, let me show you how. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Google Chrome right here. When you open up your Chrome, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Click on these three dots right here. And this is going to drop down right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to app. So under the app right here, next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to about Google Chrome. So click on about Google Chrome right here. So click on that. And in a few seconds, it's take you right here and automatically starts updates. If there is any updates at the time of clicking on it. So at the time of making this video, there is a new version of Chrome which is 137.0.7151 and 0.69 right here. And in a few seconds, all Chrome is going to be fully updated, just like what you see right here. Now, if you want to know what are the things that are actually new as far as new Chrome update is concerned, you can easily go back to the three dots right here, and make sure you scroll down to the last button right here where you have app right here, and make sure you click on what is new. And it's going to open in a new tab. Then you see all the new release features as far as Google Chrome is concerned, both on the mobile and on desktop. So right here, we have the new stuff in mobile section. Search anything on screen with Google Lens in Chrome. So this is available in iOS, just like what you see right here. And it's also available on Android version. So this is for Android and iOS version. So you can also scroll down and check on more update. So this is another update right here, which is recently released, and this update is for productivity and it only work on Windows PC and Mac as the case may be. Scroll down and check on more updates right there. This is another update. This update here is for mobile version. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.